Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix login failed on Craigslist's website. So when you try to log into your account, as you will see, the HTML is pretty old and all of that stuff going on, but still this message is easily to fix. There are many problems that could cause this to happen, which I will introduce them to you in this video. First of all, when you are trying to put here the email and the password, make sure that you are actually putting them correctly. Now, this is old enough that there is not the eye icon that will allow you to see the password. So I highly recommend you guys to actually write down the email first and like the password first in the email section. For example, here password as an example 123, and then copy the password and paste it right here. Then go ahead and write down the email test@gmail.com as an example, and then try to log in. So this is something that you need to actually go through first. Now, if they still have a problem, then try to remove the cookies. So go ahead and remove the cookies as you can see here, and go ahead and through it. And also make sure that you are using the correct like a keyboard. Sometimes you are writing Q instead of A just because you have switched between English and French or something like that. Just different keyboard words could be causing the problem. And specifically through the email, make sure that you haven't written your email wrong in a wrong method. So this is something that you should try as well. Here there is the email a login link. So you can go here, login links into email. So you can literally, for example, in case you forgot about your password, you can literally just write here your email, and here they will send you a login link straight to your email. So you don't have really to go through the password. And yeah, all of this can help you to go through the problem, which is basically your account or login failed. And yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.